Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emilee. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this kind of really deep smoky green eye using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. So for this look I was very inspired by this palette, but also just like it's autumn and I just, you know, this palette, autumn, like it may not be like looking autumn yet, but like some of the leaves on the trees outside of my window are going a bit yellowy and like it's getting cold and I'm just excited. So I thought I would kickstart the autumn season with this very smoky autumnal look, and I really hope you enjoy it. And yeah, make sure you follow my Instagram as well. I'm putting lots of autumnal looks up at the moment. I have my feed planned and it is beautiful, so I will link my Instagram down below for you to go and follow. Oh, my dog is barking again. Right, it is currently 7 in the morning. I have not slept for 2 days straight and I need to film this video and she won't shut up, so yeah. I also ran out of coffee, so that's just great. Like, no coffee, no sleep, barking dog, need to film a video. I love this. So please ignore the barking dog in the background if you can hear her. She's very annoying. She's been barking for the past 20 minutes. It's currently like 7 in the morning. I haven't slept for 2 days. I ran out of coffee and it's just all around, you know, I'm going to say it's a good time, but it's really not a good time. I recently did a video testing all of the Bling Boss palette, doing swatches of every single palette in the Vault collection. So I will link that video down below if you want to see swatches and all that. It has timestamps if you just want to see swatches. But yeah, so I wanted to use the Armed and Gorgeous palette. Okay, update. Dog has been shut up. Coffee has been found. In my tired state that I'm currently experiencing, I got to the absolute stupid mode of Emilee, who forgot we had a coffee machine. With like coffee pods, so I was just looking in the normal cupboard at the normal coffee, forgetting we had coffee pods. So I've made myself a hot beverage with some oat milk, because oat milk is the one. If you are like looking for a plant-based milk, go for oat milk. It is the best. Alright, so we're zoomed in now. You can probably see what I mean about like my crusty eyebrows. But as I said, we're going in with the Armed and Gorgeous palette. I'm going to go in with more of a neutral colour just to begin with. I'm going to use this shade from my 35F just because I want more of a neutral shade just to go down as a transition shade, because these colours are all very warm and I don't want it to be too warm. I'm just going to put this all in my crease area. Hopefully from this zoom level you can see what's going on, because otherwise it's not very good. But yeah, please excuse my eyebrows, they're just... My skin's being very temperamental with me at the moment. I've had like eczema, I've also had some weird skin condition, which has just, you know, been the greatest. But basically life isn't loving me right now, that's all I'm going to say. Life is not loving me. And if you're wondering my thoughts on these Morphe palettes just in general, I think they're really good for the price. They're amazingly like good for the price. Like if you went into a drugstore to get an eyeshadow palette, a lot of the brands wouldn't be to the quality of this. Like it's no Anastasia by any means, but like the shadows are still really, really good. But yeah, I've got my little transition colour down, so I'm going to move on to this palette. I'm also going to take a sip of my coffee because I need that. Oh, that tastes so good. I'm going to go in first and highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. That's just a thing I like to do. I'm not going to lie, because I'm so tired, I'm a bit all over the place, so I'm going to like be hunting. My brush is right in front of me. So I'm going to go in with the 230 Luxe pencil brush from Zoeva. Look at how like messed up that is. I got like eyelash glue stuck to my brushes on my way when I was going on holiday. Like I had eyelash glue in my makeup bag and it exploded on the plane. which was not fun. But yeah, that's what happened there. So I'm just taking the shade VIP, which is this one here. I'm just going to highlight my brow bone just very lightly, and I'm also going to put that on my inner corner. Also, when I'm tired, I'm in a rambly mood, so I apologise if like I ramble a lot in this video. I'm then going to take a 228 Luxe Crease brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Agent, which is this one here. I'm just going to take this into my crease area. Just right through the socket and blend that through into my transition. So you're just going to kind of warm it up a bit, you know. Add a bit more definition and depth and all that. Even though I have really dry eyelids at the moment, I think they're performing well and they blend well. Obviously I haven't used all the palettes on my eyes yet, but like so far the ones I have used on my eyes, I've not had too many issues, and I think they're really good. I think some of them you just have to blend a bit more than others, but like it's cheap and I'm willing to blend for that extra like 20 seconds to get a good look for like half the price tag of like an Anastasia palette. So, because I mean, yes, it has Jaclyn Hill's name on it, but like you also have to look at the price tag. £15, $15, and then a discount code for an eyeshadow palette with 10 shades in of this quality. Like, I think that's really good. You shouldn't be expecting like a $42 palette quality for a $15 price tag. I'm happy with this colour. I'm just going to buff over the edges with this brush again, just to like, you know, blend it and all. I think that's done. Good job. I'm then going to go in with the shade Smooth Criminal, which was this one here. Just again into the crease area, but more like keeping it within the crease. So I'm going to do like really small circular motions, just back and forth through the crease, as you can see, like this. This way it's just applying the colour right where it is, but kind of blending it as we go. Okay, so now I have blended all of that. As you can see, it blended really nicely. I honestly love these shadows. I think they're really good, if I haven't said that enough already. I'm just going to go in with a tiny bit of eye primer. This is the W7 Natural I Got the Power eye primer. I'm literally just going to take the tiniest bit, if it will come out. Oh my god, it's not coming out. And I'm just going to pat this on like the centre of my lid space. And just blend this out, just so that this next colour I'm going to put on has something to stick to. I'm just going to go in with Top Secret. I'm just going to pat this. Oh, that's nice and pigmented. I'm just going to pat this all over the lid area. Love that. I think that's stunning. And then just blend the edges again with a bit of Agent. That's beautiful. I love that. I'm going to go and do that on the other eye. Shut the dog up again. Apply some mascara. I'll be back. You're just going to have to ignore her because she's not shutting up, and I'm really sorry, but like there's 2 minutes of the video left, so like I can't do anything about it. I'm going to go back in with Agent on this little fluffy brush. I've just run a bit of brown eyeliner like in my waterline and along my lower lash line. And I'm just going to use the shade Agent to kind of blend it out and buff it out. I'm trying to speak loudly over her so you can't hear her, but you can probably hear her because she's very annoying right now. Like, I love her. She's my little angel, but she's annoying me right now as well, so I get it. I'm then just going to take this tiny little shader brush, and I'm going to take a bit of Smooth Criminal here and mix it with Prowl. And I'm just going to take this, again, even closer to the lash line. I don't want it too smoky, which is why I'm not like bringing the liner down too far. I just want to kind of add a bit of definition. So yeah, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave a comment and I will see you all in my next video. Sorry I was so rushed. I need a nap. I'm so tired. That's all. So yeah, I will see you all soon. Bye!